How to add new account on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open it and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Click on the profile option and you can see at the top there is a username or name of your profile. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on it. At the bottom you can see an option of add account. Just click on the add account and you have to click on it in this way. Click on the next and you have to put your phone number and you will get a short SMS on your phone number and on your account or phone that you have to put it and you will be able to add new account and start to work on it. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.